Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can summarize an entire book, any kind of book with using Google Gemini. So Google Gemini is the only chatbot that uses 1 million context window, and that's why you can upload any large book and summarize it in Google Gemini. So I'm just going to upload this book, War and Peace by Leo Tolstoy, and which has more than 500,000 words in this book, and you can see this book will be summarized by Google Gemini. So to upload a book, I'm just going to drag and drop the book here, which is a HTML file, and after that I simply just ask to summarize this book and click submit. And after a couple of seconds it will summarize the whole book. It will analyze the entire book and give me a summary of this book. And as you can see, after a couple of seconds, it's give me the name and also the title and all the summarization of this book, all the important part that I want to know in summary. So let me tell you one thing, you can only summarize this kind of long books in Pro subscription or if you have an Ultra subscription. But you can also do this for free. Let me show you how to do this. Just go to the Google AI Studio and you can also upload large PDF file like this, or if you have any other file. So Google Gemini supports doc, docs, PDF, RTF, RTX, and HTML, and these are the other files that it's supported. So just go to the Google AI Studio, and let me just upload the same file again. Just like this, upload this file. So this is a good thing in Google AI Studio. You can actually see how many token is going to be used. So you can see it's going to be used to more than 1 million, which is the 1,048,000 is the limit. So it's going to use more than 1,032,000. And that's why you can use it for free in Google AI Studio. Just I'm going to tell you to summarize this book again. In this time, I'm going to tell you to summarize this book in 6 bullet points and click run. And after a couple of seconds, you will get the result. And just after 41 seconds, it gave me 6 bullet points and summarized the whole book in just 41 seconds. So that's it guys, this is the video that I want to share with you. Now you can summarize the entire book, large book like with 500,000 words or million words. You can now summarize in Google AI Studio for free. This was an old update that Google AI Studio is for free everyone, but summarize this type of long book in Gemini is not for free version. You can summarize book like 100 pages or 200 pages in free, but you have to get a pro version to summarize this type of book. But you can use this for free in Google AI Studio. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.